2025 could be the year that you make a life-changing wealth in the cryptocurrency markets, but only if you navigate the market successfully. It can be done, but you need the right tools to do it. So in this video, I'm going to share with you 5 crypto apps that every investor needs to win in 2025. Links for all of these down below, by the way. So these apps are going to help you choose a cryptocurrency exchange, how to use the best wallet options, how to store your crypto, and free resources that you need to help you analyze the market. But there is one thing that can, of course, get in your way of having fun, and that, of course, is KYC. KYC stands for Know Your Customer. It's a laborsome process that's implemented across a lot of centralized exchanges. It means that before you can buy and sell any cryptocurrencies, you have to go through all the hoops and hurdles of verifying your identity to prove to an exchange that you are actually who you say you are. And you might not even want to do that just for privacy reasons. Now, of course, depending on where you live, access might even be restricted on a lot of centralized exchange platforms. So the good news is that there is an exchange called Biunix, and it is now offering no KYC trading, and it is our first app that we're talking about. So no KYC, no VPN, meaning that anyone anywhere can just come, click the link down below, and use Biunix and enjoy your trading experience. So let's talk about what it is and how to get set up on Biunix. Now, Biunix launched back in October 2022. It's a cryptocurrency derivatives exchange that has grown in popularity very, very rapidly because it's got lots of deep liquidity, lots of the top altcoin pairs, and no KYC, which is a very popular thing in the market. And it's transparent about its reserves and offers very low trading fees that get even lower depending on how much you deposit and how much you trade with. With no KYC, setting up an account is obviously super, super easy to do. All you have to do is enter an email address, create a password, usual kind of stuff, and that's basically it. After you verify your email address, you're in to go. All you have to do, deposit some USDT or whatever other cryptos you want to trade and just enjoy your no KYC trading experience. Now, once you're set up on the platform and you've deposited some money, you can just trade spot markets if you want with all kinds of top hot altcoins, which is, of course, where you're actually buying and selling the real cryptocurrencies. So you buy spot Bitcoin, you now own Bitcoin. But they also have some more advanced features that are wildly popular. You see, trading spot's super simple by just finding the trading pair and then placing either a market order if it's a small amount or a limit order if it's a bigger amount, or you just want to try to get a lower price, assuming the market's going to dump down or whatever. But they also offer leveraged trading. Okay, so there's a lot of great coins over here on Biunix. They have great liquidity and, again, no KYC, and you can trade with leverage, meaning you borrow money from the bank, let's say, which is the Biunix in this situation, and then you can actually up your gains, but also increase your risk by trading on futures contracts. Where you're not buying the actual coin, you're trading futures, okay, which are denominated in USDT. And in general, it's a good idea to have more than one exchange account to give yourself some options, which is why the next one we're going to talk about is Crypto.com. This is an all-in-one cryptocurrency exchange, and it's one of the top exchanges to be using in 2025. It's not only one of the easiest, most convenient exchanges to buy, hold, and sell crypto, especially if you're based in the USA or the UK, but it's also the best crypto Visa card on the market. And honestly, this is the thing you need to have in 2025 because spending your crypto profits has literally never been easier when you have this card. So if you're looking to spend your crypto, earn cash back rewards paid out in CRO tokens, then you need to look into the Crypto.com app. It's a very intuitive, user-friendly app, great for beginners, allowing you to trade over 350 different cryptocurrencies, all within just a few clicks of a button. Now, to get an idea of just how easy it is to use, you just click the buy button, you select the crypto you want to buy and how much you want to buy. Select, of course, whether you're using cash or card, or maybe you're using another crypto like USDC for the purchase, and then you hit buy and that's it. Very, very quick and easy, and in just a minute or two, you can have whatever coin it is your heart desires. Now, funding your account, selling your crypto, and withdrawing your profits is also very, very easy. Crypto.com works with most major Western fiat currencies, US dollar, British pound, all that kind of stuff, and gives you multiple options, of course, to move your money back and forth between the real world, quote unquote, and the cryptocurrency world. So they have great traditional banking partnerships and have a lot of ways, whether it be through PayPal or Google Pay or Apple Pay or just regular old bank cards or regular old bank transfers. There's lots of ways to get your money into Crypto.com and back out of Crypto.com when you want to make it real. Or you can just use your Crypto.com debit card and spend all over the place and have fun doing that too. When it comes to buying and selling fees, Crypto.com is actually cheaper than Coinbase. I know Coinbase is wildly popular, but guess what? Crypto.com is the better place to be buying and selling your coins because they have much lower fees, meaning you're going to get a lot more bang for your buck. And then again, there's the Crypto.com. I should show it to you. I should show you mine so you get an idea of what these bad boys look like. Right there, Crypto.com debit card. I know I've mentioned it a few times, but it's super awesome. And I keep mentioning it because I actually really like it. It's really cool. It's prepaid debit card, meaning that you need to load an account balance onto it. So you load some stable coins on there, for example, and then you've got your cash sitting there. And then you can just go spend wherever Visa is accepted. Great way to, again, take crypto profits into the real world. Just had a nice trading win. Great. This card is a great way to go from crypto profits to real world stuff because, again, your card's connected to your Crypto.com account. And all you have to do is top it up and off you go. So let's say you just had a big win. You got a big Dogecoin trade, made $1,000. Man, take that $1,000 profits, stick it on your Crypto.com card, and take the missus out for a nice lunch. Boom. It's done. Just that easy in seconds. You can check everything in one place, the balances on your card, your crypto coins, it's all there. And they're even rolling out stock trading and stuff like this. So Crypto.com, definitely the app to be on. The one-stop shop, not just for crypto these days, but actually for everything. But if you want to talk about crypto data, then the one website you're absolutely going to want to get familiar with is a free resource called CoinMarketCap.com. As you know, the cryptocurrency market moves super quickly, so it's jam-packed with real-time data to help you analyze the state of the market, no matter your skill level. So the first thing you'll see when you head over to the CoinMarketCap.com website is a line of data along the top of the homepage. Now, this is actually a summary of the total cryptocurrency market in real time. So how many cryptocurrencies they're currently tracking? Actually, there's like millions of cryptocurrencies. Most of them are worth absolutely nothing and not worth tracking. These are the ones that are actually being tracked by the site, which is an insane amount of coins, really, when you look at it. The total crypto market cap, that's the price of all coins combined together. The total trading volume, that means how many coins were traded in total today. Bitcoin's percentage, dominance, how much it dominates the market, the fear and greed score, all that kind of stuff. Very useful data. On the homepage, you'll be able to see a list of cryptocurrencies ranked by market cap, starting with the largest Bitcoin, of course, and then going on down from there. You can also measure it by percentage gained and all that kind of stuff. There's a lot of different ways you can look at the market. Now, if you click into any particular cryptocurrency in the list, you'll actually be taken to a dashboard for that individual coin or token, which is where you will find all the real-time data, the price history, useful links, where to buy and exchange. I get this question so many times. Lorik, why didn't you tell me where I can buy this coin you mentioned in your video? Go to CoinMarketCap.com. All the information's right there, okay? It also curates a list of top gainers and losers, recently added coins, trending coins, token unlocks, all that kind of stuff. Also, if you're trading on chain, which I know a lot of you guys are trading on chain, you can find official contract addresses for all coins here on the coin listing page, which is a very useful thing that I think not a lot of people know about. Okay, so make sure you're using that feature. Not many people know this as well, but you can also create a watch list of all the crypto coins and tokens that you're considering buying. So if you see big dumps in the coin, great. You've been watching it, now you know, because the data is there and curated for you. All you need to do is create a free CoinMarketCap account. And if you're using multiple exchanges and wallets to buy, sell, and store your crypto, you can also use CoinMarketCap to create your own free portfolio tracker so you can keep track of all your holdings in one simple place. And there's a lot of extra resources here, like their blog, their glossary for crypto terms are fantastic, great resource to help beginners get started because, as you know, when you get started in crypto, it's like drinking from a fire hose, absolutely insane. So look, now you bought some crypto. Now you just need to decide where to store it, and you have a couple of options, okay? So if you want to actively use your cryptocurrency coins, then you're gonna need a good software wallet. Now this is an app on your phone or an internet browser that is connected to the internet, therefore allowing you to directly connect to other applications in the cryptocurrency world. Now, one of the top hot wallets and the most well-known wallet probably right now is the Solana ecosystem wallet called Phantom. Now, this is the perfect wallet for Solana and the wallet that I use all the time for Solana. For Ethereum, I largely use the Rabby wallet, R-A-B-B-Y. If you're still using MetaMask, switch to Rabby now because MetaMask sucks by comparison. But if you hold Solana or any Solana-based tokens or stablecoins compatible with Solana, then you need to have the Phantom wallet. But also Phantom wallet's expanded out, now supports a base network, supports Ethereum network, supports Bitcoin as well, but I use it for Solana, okay? You'll be able to swap tokens on these Solana-based exchanges like Jupiter or Radium, access DeFi protocols like Drift or Camino. The Phantom wallet is super easy to download. All you have to do is go to phantom.com, phantom.com. Once you've downloaded the app, you'll need to create a new wallet, transfer some Solana over so that you have money to pay for gas fees on the network, and maybe a bit of USDC or USDT stablecoins to use on the network as well. Now, next time you go to a Solana-based platform like the NFT exchange Magic Eden, you can connect your Phantom wallet by using a unique password that you just created. From there, all you'll need to do is just confirm each transaction that you make within the wallet. That's it. Super easy. You can just swap from the wallet so you don't have to go to applications half the time. And I'm kind of lazy. I just swap from my wallet quite frequently, even though they do charge a bit of a higher fee than you're going to be paying if you just go and do it directly somewhere. And if you want to simply store your Solana in the Phantom wallet while making a bit of extra income, guess what? You can also stake your coins via Phantom and get paid. Call it a day. Boom. Nice. Just click on staking accounts. It's that easy. Then you'll start earning some nice Solana rewards. And of course, you can choose from a list of different staking options. Obviously, there's lots of things you can do here as well. But if you plan to hold your coins for a longer term period, or you have a nice big stash, like we're talking tens, hundreds of thousands of dollars, millions of dollars, then you're gonna need to have one of these, okay? This is a Ledger Cold Wallet. Hardware wallets are where you keep your coins safe. And here's a bit of alpha for you. You can actually connect your hardware wallet to your Phantom wallet, so you can have even extra security while trading. Pretty cool. These are physical devices that keep your secret recovery phrase offline for safe keeping. So when you go out and you buy a cold wallet from Ledger, again, link down below in the description for everything we've talked about today, but for these as well. So then you're gonna have to download an app called Ledger Live. Now, this is a portfolio management app that's gonna connect with all of your connected accounts that relate back to your Ledger wallet. It's a nice tool that lets you easily access your coins, track profits, and of course, interact with all of the different cryptocurrencies that you currently own that are stored on your Ledger wallet across even multiple blockchains. Okay, you can have 20 different blockchains on this thing. You can have Bitcoin and Ethereum and Avalanche and XRP and Dogecoin, all that stuff on this one device. And while you will need to connect the device to the app to move your cryptocurrency around, you don't actually need it to be connected to check your balances on Ledger Live, okay? It's already tracking that. The Ledger Live app also lets you do stuff like staking your crypto coins for rewards. So this is very useful, especially for networks that don't have quite as wide support with really cool wallets like Phantom. It also lets you swap coins that you've already got, as well as sell your crypto all from within the Ledger Live app. So it's a very, very useful application to have. The hardware wallets are indispensable and absolute necessity for cryptocurrency investors. And again, you can even connect these to your Phantom app as well, which some people might find more useful than using a Ledger Live app, okay? I use both. There's reasons to use both. Now, without the need, of course, to keep sending your coins back and forth between your wallet and a cryptocurrency exchange, it makes it very useful to be able to do all these features that you can within Ledger Live. Most of these features require you to go through integrated third parties, which of course are all clearly listed here in the Ledger Live app in the Discover section. So connecting to these apps gives you access to thousands more cryptocurrencies, but please do, of course, be careful and assess the risk before giving any third-party app access. You can also find crypto tax tools in there as well. And yeah, I know, taxes, they suck, but it is useful to be able to have the tools available to be able to help you with this because they're inevitable. You have to deal with them, okay? Or move to Dubai, either way. I should point out though that if you're an experienced cryptocurrency user, you might not want to go through these particular services. Great for beginners that they have it here, okay? But you probably already have your favorite platforms for doing stuff like taxes. You already have your favorite platforms for swapping your coins and stuff like that. So in that case, you may just be looking for the safest and most user-friendly hardware wallet for your cryptocurrencies, which is going to be this one. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.